The coin makes a sound. The coin makes a sound. The glass slips from my hand. The glass slips from my hand. I am sitting down slowly. I am sitting down slowly. I clap my hands loudly. I clap my hands loudly. I am peeling an orange. I am peeling an orange. I am pushing a wooden door. I am pushing a wooden door. I am cleaning a dusty chair. I am cleaning a dusty chair. I am holding a blue umbrella. I am holding a blue umbrella. The candle flame flickers softly. The candle flame flickers softly.
I am washing a dirty plate. I am washing a dirty plate.
I am cutting a red apple. I am cutting a red apple.
I am feeding a white rabbit. I am feeding a white rabbit. Smoke rises into the air. Smoke rises into the air. I am jumping happily. I am jumping happily. I am sharpening the pencil. I am sharpening the pencil.
The bird is sitting on the branch. The bird is sitting on the branch.
I am picking a yellow flower. I am picking a yellow flower.
I am opening my school bag. I am opening my school bag. I am turning on the light. I am turning on the light. I am holding a cup of tea. I am holding a cup of tea. I am climbing a small ladder. I am climbing a small ladder. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. The cat is jumping on the table. The cat is jumping on the table. I am throwing a stone. I am throwing a stone. I am carrying a wooden ladder. I am carrying a wooden ladder. I am wearing a black jacket. I am wearing a black jacket. I bite the apple slowly. I bite the apple slowly.
The bird lands on my shoulder. The bird lands on my shoulder.
The books slip from my hands. Oh, boo! The books slip from my hands.
I gather the books quickly. I gather the books quickly.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.